Friday here on this 19th day of October. I'm your student meteorologist, Ben Reppert from the Campus Weather Service to bring you your forecast for the next couple of days. And right now we're starting you off with overcast skies. It's also foggy. Temperatures right now are in the lower 50s. We're up to 52. And with the dew point pretty close to that temperature, we have a 93% humidity, so it's a little bit foggy out there, as I mentioned, and we even have some pockets of mist and even a few showers around the area to start off your Friday, which is going to be the trend basically through the rest of the day. Temperatures vary pretty widely right now. We are in the 60s here out in the east compared to 50s elsewhere. In Philadelphia and Allentown, we're approaching 70 degrees right now, so warmer in the east, cooler in the west, as we do have a system and a front working through the region right now. You can see we've got rain coming up from the south. It was quite a wet morning here for places in the eastern part of Pennsylvania through the Poconos, the Lehigh Valley, and now near Philadelphia, now getting slammed with heavy rain. And it's very unsettled here. That's the general idea of what's going to be going on. It's all thanks to this big spinning area of low pressure up over the Great Lakes, pulling up a lot of warmth and some tropical air, which is very moist air as well, and that's why we're seeing the rain. And then after this begins to move out of the area, then we're going to be left with some clearing skies, and the weekend is looking pretty good once we get into Saturday afternoon and Sunday. And also next week looks real good as well, as we do start a pretty significant warming trend. Now here's our future radar. You can see this morning our model picking up the rain here in the east pretty well. This will begin to clear out during the afternoon as we get to about 4 o'clock. Just some lingering showers here possible through Allentown and Philadelphia. And then as we advance into Saturday, the entire system begins to clear out, and the sun will also be on the increase. That will be the trend for Saturday as we go from clouds in the morning to sun in the afternoon. We still can't rule out a very isolated shower with the storm still close by, but then once that gets out of the way, our weather is looking very clear. So here's the breakdown for today. We're seeing those scattered showers this afternoon. The storm moves away for Saturday. Temperatures do cool down. We'll be in the 50s for high temperatures everywhere tomorrow. And as fair weather tries to build in, that creates what we call a pressure gradient force. And winds are going to be coming down out of the northwest tomorrow, which is going to make it feel a little bit chillier than the temperatures may show. And then as we head into Sunday, still in the 50s, but the sun will be in abundance. And then by Monday, as high pressure kind of sits right on top of us, we get back into the 60s. That continues for Tuesday. And by Wednesday, guess what? 70 degrees is on our 5-day forecast, and wait till you see that. For the rest of this evening in Centre County, we're talking about temperatures that will flirt with 60. There'll still be some showers around this afternoon, and we could even see a few peaks of sun work into the area before the sun will set. Winds will still be coming out of the south, which is why it will still be relatively on the mild side. As we head into the overnight hours, temperatures will drop back to 44 degrees. There still could be a shower around, but those winds will begin to shift out of the west, and that will set up for a cooler weekend. As we look at the 5-day forecast, Sunday is going to be a sunny Sunday. 58 degrees will be the high, and then look at Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I don't think it can get much better for mid to late October, with temperatures that will eventually get to 70 degrees by Wednesday. Overnight lows will be in the 40s to around 50, and not many clouds in the sky. So enjoy the week we have coming up. We just have to get through a bit of a miserable Friday.